What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this update on the Waves crypto. So I covered Waves yesterday. I know that Waves is in high demand under my community, but it was also relatively bullish yesterday, and I wanted to cover it because I thought there was a chance that it could actually continue that bullish momentum and just the general bullish sentiment it had, which it also did, which, I mean, it's always relatively lucky still, right? I mean, it's not that I saw the price and that I thought like, oh right, yeah, this is going to continue going up. No, I thought there was a chance and I thought it would be interesting to analyze it. So if we take a look at it right now, it's still bullish. It's up 20%, 30% against the market. That's also because Waves was just Waves had its bullish momentum yesterday a little bit later than the other cryptos, so it's still relatively high compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum that fell down quite hard at the end of yesterday until now. Volume of 2 billion, that's very high. That's huge. I mean, that's obviously also a lot of people selling, but still. So if you take a look at the analysis right now, what I said yesterday is that I thought that if we would actually get above this level here around, let's say 6.3 and 6.4, that we would find resistance here at $7, which we did. But then what I said is that I thought we would be able to take a break retest and get up to this level right here between 7.6 and $8. Well, let's evaluate that real quick. You can see that we actually got that first one right, and then we also got this move, but this move was actually something like this. And what happened afterwards is we dropped down, and that was together with Bitcoin. While Bitcoin was also dropping, Bitcoin had its biggest drop from like of the last 24 hours in this candle too. And what we did is we actually broke below that 6.4 level again, which is pretty tough because I think the chances of actually fulfilling my analysis are way smaller right now. There's still a possibility if we're actually able to get back above 6.4 with this candle. So do something like this, then I still think there's a chance to get up to that $7.68 level. But there's also a very realistic possibility right now that this was the move. I mean, in the end, this is a very strong resistance level too, and I kind of underestimated that, I think. But you can see that we got a strong fib here. We got the $7 psychological resistance level, the 200 EMA. This is not just any resistance level. This is pretty strong. So as I said, there's a small possibility that if we get back above 6.4 again, that will actually still get to that $7.68 level. But what I think at this point of time, I think it's a little bit more likely just because Bitcoin and the whole market is kind of bearish today. But I think it's more likely that we'll take a break retest off of 6.4 and start to drop down towards 5.5. And then find some support at 5.5, and then the market is probably going to continue dropping down. So then Waves is going to drop down to $5 and 4.5 later on. I think that's, just realistically speaking, that's the more likely scenario, I'd say. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. Also in the upcoming days when one of these analysis or one of these scenarios is playing out and it's not playing out 100% to what I analyzed, just you can always still comment and talk about it with me. So thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.